Right now, something massive is changing at Spotify Camp Nou. And today, the construction site feels completely different. The third tier is also quietly progressing in the background. New llamas are appearing in fresh sectors, the compression ring is moving faster than ever, and a forgotten area has suddenly come alive overnight. From structural movements to the diamond zone, everything is accelerating across the site. And honestly, this could be a key moment in the entire rebuild. Let's get started into the update. We begin today in the South Goal area, where workers are focusing on preparing new structural connection points on the black beams. A lifting platform is positioned beside the structure while workers prepare one of the missing union pieces that still needs to be installed in this section. Several other beams already have these pieces mounted, but crews are now finishing the remaining points before moving forward. At the same time, the anchoring system for the future llamas has advanced extremely quickly in this sector. Almost all the anchors and brackets appear to have been installed across the area, leaving everything nearly ready for the alignment phase before the llamas arrive. However, there is still finishing work left on the rear beams. Many bolts and sections still need protective white anti-corrosion paint, and crews will also need to repaint several areas where visible white marks remain on the structure. In another section of the South Goal, activity remains much quieter. Several lifting platforms and workers are visible inspecting materials and reviewing the area, but no new llamas have been installed here for quite some time. This zone has been mostly paused for over a month, and visually there are still no major changes compared to previous weeks. Even so, workers continue checking supports and alignment points, showing that preparation work is still ongoing behind the scenes. The third tier is becoming one of the most active and impressive parts of the Camp Nou renovation right now. More stair sections continue appearing every single day, especially in the Gol Norte and Tribuna areas. Workers are also heavily focused on waterproofing and sealing the joints between the concrete stair sections, while large parts of the third cantilever already appear almost fully concreted from the outside. With more seating sections installed and the upper structure looking increasingly complete, the entire third tier is now starting to take its final shape. Sweeping upward now to the top tier and to an update about the roof ring structure that is going to take a moment to properly understand. But that is absolutely worth it. The crews have begun removing the formworks that were supporting the already installed flanges. And this is a key moment because it confirms that these structural ring boxes are now stable and self-supporting. That temporary support was essential during installation, but now it is no longer needed, which clearly shows how far the compression ring has progressed. At the same time, new flanges are still being installed at a steady pace. The roof ring continues to advance, the installation cycle continues, and the momentum on site remains extremely strong. One of the biggest surprises today comes from the famous diamond zone near the corner. Rapid progress can clearly be seen as rebar installation continues, and the first formwork panels are now also becoming visible. What makes it even more impressive is that this section stayed inactive for a long time, but now progress has suddenly picked up and is moving much faster than before. This is also a key filming spot, so we'll be able to closely follow every stage in the coming months. At the same time, the compression ring is advancing at an incredible pace. Another pillar has been placed into position, while massive structural pieces continue arriving across the site. Day by day, radial beams, pillars, and flanges are going up, and the overall speed of the compression ring work is becoming one of the biggest surprises of the entire project. And this is exactly the moment we were waiting for. The installation of llamas has officially begun in this new section. A real surprise here, as workers are now placing the first ceramic llamas in the false ceiling area, just behind the crane tower, marking the start of a completely new phase in this zone. At the same time, several units are already visible on the ground, confirming that the work was fully prepared in advance and is now moving forward at full speed. The first pieces are now clearly in position, and more are expected to follow very quickly in this same area. In the middle section of the North Goal, crews are actively installing new support structures for the Llama system across several already advanced zones. A platform lift is positioned on site as workers carefully align and secure the next support elements. continuing the development of the false ceiling framework. At the same time, multiple platforms are operating in nearby areas where anchoring points are already installed, showing clear and steady progress. The structure is gradually taking shape as teams focus on precise adjustments and final preparation work ahead of the upcoming Llama's installation phase. In the upper section of the diamond area, a concrete pump is currently in position, actively pouring fresh concrete into the structure. Workers are carefully guiding the flow as it is delivered, ensuring proper distribution and placement while teams on the ground use shovels and tools to level and compact the material. From this viewpoint, the activity is clearly visible, showing steady progress in this upper zone of the stadium. The stepped concrete elements have already been formed over time, creating the main structural shape, which is now being refined with ongoing concrete works. Nearby, stacks of sandwich panels are also stored and prepared for upcoming installation, indicating that this section will continue progressing in the next phases of construction. Now let us talk about what the Slat installation is beginning to reveal about the color pattern and the visual design of the stadium exterior, because what is emerging from the Slat installation right now is nothing short of spectacular. The Slat installation has progressed far enough that the color pattern and the arrangement of the slats is now becoming clearly and unmistakably visible, and the design that is emerging is not random, not arbitrary, and certainly not boring. What the installation is beginning to show is a deliberate and beautiful pattern of 5 yellow slats followed by a red slat positioned in between. Repeating, rhythmic, vivid, and utterly breathtaking in the visual effect it is creating on the exterior of the stadium. Now let me tell you why this design choice is so profoundly moving and so perfectly right for this stadium. Because those colors, yellow and red, are not just aesthetic preferences picked by a designer sitting at a desk somewhere. Those are the colors of Catalonia. Those are the colors that have been woven into the identity of FC Barcelona since the very foundations of this club were laid. The yellow and the red of the Catalan flag, represented in the slats of the new Camp Nou exterior, are a declaration. They are a statement of identity, of heritage, of belonging. As we move out to the corner area to wrap up today's video, activity continues around the diamond section, where several workers are seen clearing materials and removing stored bags from inside the zone. The area is gradually being cleaned and organized, leaving the surface more open and prepared for the next stages of work. Nearby in the corner and tribune zones, platforms are still in operation, with workers carrying out final adjustments and minor works on the exposed structural elements. Overall, the area shows steady progress and a clean transition toward the next phase of construction as the day comes to an end. And that's all for today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. From the diamond zone to the compression ring and third tier, everything is clearly moving at a faster pace. The big question now is, what will we see next in the coming days? We'll be back very soon with more updates. Stay tuned.